And one problem, no.
I'm not confused. I don't know what to do. Can't masturbation. How? You enter the catch counselor.
I'm one person who catch it. They all cancel for marriage, no. Yeah, to me, you have banty. Yeah, cause what you better. You find next one. Na intion. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, it is I. Me patrol yet you.
Me patrol, many are brand to be on my say. 10 years.
Me patrol, hello.
Yes.
I said radio be your own 10 dark cranny here to Kay.
Many are brand to 16 years. I won't now, what do you know for the law or not? So, yeah,
maybe I try Track. What's it? Only a branch and a date for 10 years.
15 years.
15 years. 15 years. And but on why way?
On worry.
Hey, 15.
I saw you. I said, now, almost support.
Me over to us on an o can be some ma do saying.
Yeah, woman.
And then the more review. Okay. And I feel I said now by her.
It's I said, okay, why am I messing?
What is it say why on this? Nanti Hono.
One one day now, or the name or on Sanadi Mo. Ababa, yes, the okay, yeah, your little fan. It's my friend and chapter, and my mason. The Banama Mason, Mr. obviously, I can't say you name it to be there, but for no good. Now, it's one day.
It is a say, ever now.
The same one, yeah.
And now, until Unkwana is a way job, man. Now, ever since I would jar on so no, one thing can be him.
When I'm a friend, I'm a friend,
maybe a woman now, our friend, born no be man, the on frail.
Baby, on friend.
Now, Colana way.
And Granny don't only for us.
Or more on her.
It's only defined by half time. Yeah, my sister will be a minute. Oh, friend, I send it to you, and I send it to my friend. Now, friend of what's me? I get corner crowd.
Okay. The patrol, asem no why. Yeah, fancy na. Yeah, my council and room. Nti Beshana councillor Abomna ya twaso from there na ya hwe the we are and some no ABC akwafa and we na beba no but my can for Puma drinks e ma it's about time say who say so call anymore now call anymore forward ever backwards never. You got to be brave, be confident, be determined, and in all you need to be joyful. Treat yourself with Puma drinks, papa. Yes, Puma drinks. Yeah, two boys say, and especially for you. With me, I enjoy apple, cola, tamarind, apple, banana, orange, tropical, malt, cranberry, and pineapple. We so they are fortified and come apart with all the essential vitamins are here. It's a whole new vibe. They are available in all distribution points and retail outlets for 13 cedis per pack, and then 1 cedi 50 pesos per bottle. Open the door now phrase 0262 351 251. Another quality product from Casapreco Company Limited. Open mobile phone papa pato. Latest ones here Basuina. And then the dress super Cassie and Freddy's Corner. Oba. From all the brands to say Samsung, Nokia, Infinix, iPhones, itel, Huawei, ni nebi or Samsung or home appliances and so from brands like Samsung, Nasco, Media, Skywest, and then TCL. So pay TVs, refrigerators, air conditioners, printers, gas cookers, home theater systems, stabilizers, kettles, blenders, Bluetooth speakers, washing machines, water dispensers, microwave ovens, CCTV cameras now be available. Or buy a head office branch now better our product be or be send your check at the account instantly. It could be a mobile phone, a blender, Bluetooth speaker, kettle, or a bag of rice. Head office branch no ewo kokumlemle Eben City Light Frey 0544 959 195 and our face 020 793 7323. Freddy's Corner, the authentic source of our quality mobile phones and then home appliances. Yes, I can a counselor Oscar Sripi around Mansu and in Shiamunafi. And someone for a bed dying and more the bed boy on ENT. Counselor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yami Adom, Yahuya Wahapa, Yajidi so Adom need to hoye. You, yeah, that's it. Counselor, we the Yemia Bay and the Casasi CAD, na Yemfan Chassis. Also on your branch and Ashishahwa and Planatria 15 years. I'm a Numunum Colamian and their Pimu. Nana say, and your man Koyi, the Obeka Bia, Bema Infana Dreamer, the Opa, Noya, Yenema Basa, Dinenia, or Kawari, one Samson Kawan and cried, and I just our bring you crew. The Sentinama were packing name of Beman and Chain. And as you see, Aka Beman and Quan and Colano. Now, ever since Ofie Beman and Chain, Beman and Pum for a phone friend that Debbie Obey crown better monka, just or no ban and sign Fred Bemano. It be son of the air course, near to send, I want to send near the to say one fra Beman cry and Fred. And I will be said day and I echo. Nothing in the. It's here for you, so.
Yeah,
Akuma around, pa. You, what you so?
The Katam about you with people for never do done in our bosses. The question is going to be a minute of confessions or TV.
You, I say, what bonny tinko.
The confessions or TV.
Oh, TV so good. Yes.
We do be on TV. I'm going to be grand. Professional original one year.
Sure.
The local TV channel.
All right, Ojoso.
Now, what to do by me? Say, you are seeing a woman. The real beton on the sunny beton. It's all your banner of this one. Remember about what they'll come your way. That one who home from the back. But the way of the position on and the better the Nippon of Baba na on Bonka. And you want me, son? I'll see only them and pass sorry. To the extent maybe I software them. The question I want to ask is before the while not sorry now.
Sir, at the end of the one why no one you know what do just say
before you no more sorry now.
A horror na man may be son
because so you be sorry and not sorry. Not unia. Now soon Namia. Because you a lot of people are going to church, but I'm also Nami. And yet the same there are a lot of people who are in the church today. Commonly Jesus. Because you will be on Namia. I wouldn't sure. There's no way. Tony Beberman and T. You're say, we are all not perfect. You're going to say, first one a mistake. Tomorrow back, a mistake. But the infant is how, without admitting. So we are first one a mistake. As a Christian, before the panel will be able also to be a 1 year. But what's now number 1? Number 2? Number 3? You'll be doing economics more, economic view more. I say, we should come to the first glass of water, the Bamau. Also, no, I say,
yeah.
After that, the other be enough the mission let couple. Only one that 101, one what that 2, one what that 3. What is the edge and the desire of being yourself for your 1 year? It's not there. Anything I not call you yourself for you. Desire you. Even the can say, oh, you're bad. The only thing can say, the first one you mistake. What about the second one? The third one? It is a war for the more. No more first, no more warrior. I suffer no being a mocatrum. Second, on what are they telling them? Now, baby, I don't know. 15 years old.
Yeah.
We talk with Tanimami Hoff. I didn't know also. You born a couple. Especially if you are a Ghana, baby, and no. Or before one hour. These days, no. I had D. So when you could. This is a coupon cabin. And now say, if I believe it will be a business here. But 1, 2, 3 there. The American say, and Quranic people, okay, or making sure that they put in system about one Quran. Because Uncle in jail, no. So no free say, guy need to pass here. On here, on people by 1 year. Not because guy need. It can also be said guy need. But not say guy will be. No person by 1 year. All the guys telling her indirectly, he say, the American your value before me, no, is undermined and compromised. The man who tell you, so President Warrior would be a Maubo Yedi, Jerry, who Warrior do 2 years. In it was on social media. The reason why I know why we are the value of a ban will say, who are the amount. Jacob. Or you do 14 years. 14 years of his wages. Not worrying with you. 14 years. Because of done. That's why you're 7 years. Near that and near man Leah. Then the uncle can open rich there, man, another 7 years. So I'll do it. It is all your bar. More one year, 1 year, sir. Yes, all cheap. Can me do? No officer of them and vessel in Yamoa. It will not happen. Now, for those who are married, those who are giving birth with because for no more what you are having before Yamano and your warrior. And she also warrior, you won't get it. So sometimes you won't do that, no. They struggle financially. Because of media over 1 year, no. Over what about 1 year, no. Nakubo make sure say, we provide them because you have done the right thing. So, sister, and Quarano, make sure say Quarano, they will not be destroyed. If they can say, no chance to suffer because you need papa problem. Putting mechanism at the end of the day, no. The baby Quarano. But all of us know say, who fish was a bar and a young girl, the will be position one can affect it more.
Okay. Let us see. The next issue, no, so no. On also on a brand TB aqua out kakra near there na omo I started counseling crying na muguso. Yeah. Now so Obema receive a message your friends a picture from Adam and Ban na fufobi mu then now I share picture no so na or masturbate with those pictures. And recently who na or confronted no Obema na catch and say this is what she has been doing for the past 10 years in the no wayana oya na we are no wonu no ewu mu a na waye otimi jaya but ewu mu a na waye but said you who no ama ontimi mbo omo counselor na kra amane there are the all counsel omo ansa na omo abewaye no ontimi kra mbo na amane but this is the problem now the ono so ehano say Obema obewaye sir
guy knew issues and problems with masturbation. Nyamiya Mabuma. NTBA member studio.
Yeah.
NTBA, I'll start coming. And I'm praying for Mr. Semiba. One of the things I'm going to deal with me is the masturbation.
Okay.
The causes, the effect, and the solution.
Now, counselor, we are branching the equality. Not a half drink. I mean, for me, besides naked pictures, or such as a normal picture.
But we're not doing we're naked in the panels. So, I see you to me in country counselors. I'm on pop counselor, then I'm going immediately. Because someone, yes, sir, nobody worry. Not guy need to mean dealing with that issue now. It will affect the marriage when it comes to sex. I repeat. Yes, maybe they don't want to tell their counselor. Because counselors people who are, yes, I know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's a lot of people, they don't even want to talk to counselors. I've met a lot of people who tell me that counselor, on call for the baby, the man who you can't send from another than them. Okay? Some of them even sit on TV and radio and say, oh, and now will be by me, they say, oh, yes, counselor, don't do that. And you're right. Because some more people cannot try. Or we say nothing now, come on. And that's why if you watch all these years, Joy FM, His FM, everywhere, you know, they make example. Sometimes they push me to the wall, they want me to do that, but I won't do that. Because we are moving in the non couple of issue for me. Because if the guy does not overcome that, no more warrior, sexually, no, this is what will happen. Because I also have a problem now. Send anybody in town, one man in town, and Bano. So, you are crowd that we are. So, yes, Sadiana, the home tunnel. And Sadiana is warrior. Because in marriage, you know, sex is very, very important. You see, immediately because you have started counseling, you know, some person will catch on counselor now, for whatever reason, you know, they should look for somebody to help the guy to be able to overcome that problem. Marriage is not a panacea for moral problems. I repeat, marriage is not a panacea for moral problems. What is happening is a masturbation of problems morally. So I'm sure one kitty and I want to resolve it. Somebody worry, no peace of the worry to the and then carry. And that can affect the marriage sexually.
Okay. The next one also, about just on your branch be dating for 5 years, but it was a platonic relationship. I say IBN now. I feel do baby na be man I say man attitude. It's a more relationship no eguye just because on man is sex. It's obisa branch and a crown branch and yes, yes, about but later no, Usisuka chance or bonnetimo, just or the whole bonnetimo ding. And a relationship niguye. Now, I say she another guy, I don't know ASO no catchings one day, or quite sorry, on your Nadrian say, on any bed dada, do you beat me a stadium what or say, on bed, Tom once no more. I branch any penis about a crana, and also starting man the same attitude now, or back on the man and now so my relationship no. Eguye no it know a hand say onye na adwen say obem ma sex nenso no because of that inti onti minya good relationship.
Yeah, you boy say my girl no. And my way that's the way I'm person money behaving. Also the women touch was say a man so basi oni o ma no ni nda. It's all possible. Obey the own in that. And remember, there's also only in that pay. What do you suffer the two that will be paid? Why week? I am back. There was Yamuko Demi. Now, those whites they have a foul two kaka. Even if you have not whatever, what people and anything about gender. But my with not just on my brain to be a young people, young queen. Can I mark here? So, me born to man. We are friendly, Madam Sister. I deal with your own one young warrior on the benefits of that. So, which one was the market so many guys win and fear, but with many and that you see respect how could the mouth. You won't say man. Don't give yourself to any man in the name of what is in would work
with sex.
The guy is clean. Or bottom. Close your legs. On the day of your marriage, you will see the importance of what you have done. Mamutia uka cancer. Obiaba, not your perception, but the advice I'll give you is that because you say you're a Christian, men come to the relationship now. Okay? Go down on your knees and cry to God. God will bring the man that will accept it before you worry. And your memory need no person to memory be very disciplined. And I want us to understand, and I want everybody to understand, say, it is possible for you to cause a woman without having sex. It is possible. So be a catcher say it's possible, boy. Sister T. So be a catcher say, and memory and there are decent men out there, and there are decent women like you out there. Hold on tight. Hang on to God. Don't give your body to any man before marriage. And I can tell you, by the God that I said, that God will reward your purity. But before you enter into a relationship, going forward, go down your knees. Fast and pray. God will bring the right person who accept that condition. So Miss Maya already said, until everyone will not have sex. But me teach a man. I respect that woman. It is possible to go into courtship without having sex. A lot of people have done it. It is possible.
Okay. The final one, also your boss, also say on Abranti be na aqua out.
Why you need the end of that now?
Ono the end the minim say oh yeah, but or say or your bearman go out no now or supportive fine. Say very caring, very responsible. Even though that time kwa no ba no juma ba no mu nyanko hu o parents ye. Later on mu ye den say baby adun dey say itimi hwe na head towards our na say introduce them to their parents near the normal years I didn't no. The guy has stopped being that caring guy he used to be, on your responsible being more on supporting the beam. And even now, Pukra presently we're losing a job. So this is the time I go be here and support more. But this time no, be money feeding capre money. But first now no ban here, you man no munyan parents ne no money scar supporting any other. But now he has stopped doing all those things. Emma recently no ban parents they were not feeling fine. Bema na can't show ban about of age or consult you out and more muscate be your hospital, but on more band there. Now you know the mind them.
The best year guy in person of the captain. Because you see, they say on person of the one. And come, you not be dealing with the parents. Okay? To the extent that, but winning the parents, you free. When they will be yeah. It means that the best bottom tone to me can't say there no. Or be what part of you. Only number the beast here on Kapa. But the actions and inactions better the beast untunable. Non poor no beside guy me the BSc. Because in person no you know Papa no me again.
Yeah.
Yes, in person no me no any problem there. But because no interest will get anyone, and no yes, so that one day no, someone warrior in the eyes of many parents no, they don't see the guy as a bad person. Yes, so which we place our cast no. So that one something they won't say me worry about. Okay, so woman am worry now. Sometimes you feel bad so guy will not correct. But me take care for you people. This no. You be fear. You blame your daughter, not the guy. When you oh, don't pay that person. No one trouble, no this guy. So that at the end of the day, they can resolve it. The source of guy no is still interested in her. That is why, even to be funny, no discount now, the parent. But I'm also the guy is clear. Whatever it is, only getting come with him. I think so. Catch again, not get who say win so yes, sir. It will be better that we see all countries, all the now see we do not send here John Casano. And now all this any money and money, Papa. BBC, don't tell me. Non-found person, they can resolve it.
Okay. You, Councillor, better as usual, answer na obe corona eja. And na semwa ode be me tu for na your fan sorry so.
Yeah, you also that lady me can say. First of all, on said the police are no man na ye na ni nkora or to police are no man no mo ye. not about purity. And at first, no worry. My first night in Israel, the white cloth bear has a mumpa, no banner mood anymore. No.
Yeah.
But you see, I call qua Muja the doors to go. Yeah, and man, I said, money in an amendment, I said, money in a.
Yeah.
Uncle, I said, I'm going to be Nankubu with a mobile.
Amen.
I pray, say, we live right. Because God rewards purity. Name or rewarded purity. This issue of problem to the day, you have to prove to me self-dominant because you are looking for sex. Only of you are 95 and only in that. Also, to them, and man in them, God rewards purity. Nankubu should be.
Amen. That's a pa counselor Oscar CP and I attending ka area. Was I amaya somewhere D to your home kama at the atato. Yemfa and no eswasidano Emma your proud sponsors no real quick nafi Yemfa diaka and twatwaso. And August Busumi Mwani we and it means Moment is back. Yes, and it's bigger and better this time. If you celebrate Akopim the end of September 2020, obey me, we need up to 10K cash. Yes, 10,000 Ghana cedis cash. Just by paying with your Momo QR code or merchant ID. Abribi our best shopping. Very easy, any. And once our best shopping, then you pay with Momo. Ayaka say obe opted for goods and services now utiano so will be tia with the QR code and now say merchant ID in your my MTN app no more. Na sa points are and now reward points now be accumulating no and bit me akọ anymore na boa now so be part of 2,000 winners this moment. Now wait me enye bibi di ahwe ataso obet me check out points just by dialing *120#. We a sweet reward for you just by shopping safe and using Momo Keke. Now take note, say all winners will be called by the official MTN number only. Yes, 024-300,000. Sign number and pay any other frill to redeem your prize. Number for Bia frill and I'm going test message Bia me patrol Ayaza in fuel. Just Momo it. We're there for you everywhere you go. And watching us today, you are from my Nestle Ghana. See, my boy Coco Pa say, and they and she more about the dead the say. 4 out of 10 women in childbearing age and I face 6 out of 10 children below 5 years are affected by iron deficiency anemia. Now, iron deficiency are affecting more from the ability to be active and learn with full concentration. Now, when treating in Temwa, it may affect your bofrana drain and then pokrano the physical development for the rest of their lives. But there's great news. Nina say this can be changed simply by eating iron-rich foods. Wow, and I say iron fortified foods. Yeah, bet me a boost the iron level in your blood. Now, what me is our problem with a feel. It's me patch up modia. Emma iron who yaw we do and woody mu yipa. Hashtag no live strong with iron. It's said we are there and one iron in Riani. Yet honestly for us for Sako boy to say ya or the MIA. I feel manics about capsules. Bemena we now here. Nano sweat me abwa na wajina brane. Aye juma mi ama more piafo. Wuni na woko wanimu wuni ya woko wanimu no. Na ahwode so a na etie no. Enti bedru ba bi na se den ka otimi pem no. Ene wuntimi empem na sa biem. Enu ti ne say no Manex herbal capsules. Abra wodru mpani fie so yi na enemu mu ayemre no. Na mu nsan ye den ema biem. Ekra eye herbal extract papa boost male vitality no. Wunya energy with media trap ultimate performance. Manex herbal capsules promote libido, stamina na e bana sexual potency wujina bana ne pa. Anopa no aboba akoguna enumre no amene ba akoguna eno ano wawi ebe adwuma na ma kama and you will rediscover the youth in you. They are available in all pharmacy shops. Dodo Pano, not Wafre Sharp Pharmaceuticals. 020 812-9841. Afe 0249-436-756. And 0302-22-0329. Number nabroso. I mean can for 0302 2220-329. Two back broso. You don't want to song so yasne. Emma, ye tia some way to your for. The chat to a crown come Serene Insurance company papa. I say at Renchen Biswarena is so boa on ye and bia. I dear had Jenny say, oh, don't walk on company be say, ja insurance be. Na, a somewhat to war, who here claims no, a fin on bet church or mra. Fin on bet na easy. Serene Insurance in Tessa, a dino mudino monamse, on Bibia and Aquam pepe. It is all pay insurance company papa. Ya bet me don't walk on domino, na say kuhia. Say so original with cheap pension no boa with me and Sadia and then I back for Serene Insurance the amount patrol any of our branches baby ube we biano bra then you didn't come na answer your quite bit me and fast na ya boa na bibia akoyi at the amount. Alright, UTA 106.3 Adom FM. Na the woman say enche bia di anymore.